What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Daniel here. In this video, I want to share with you a stupid simple way to start generating affiliate income online right now by doing something that you've already been doing, meaning by shopping online. At least we know one person who does online shopping, whether we do it by ourselves or whether someone else do it. We all know someone because e-commerce is booming right now. And not only will you be able to, are you able to spend money online these days, you can also earn money by shopping online. I know that does not quite make sense, but it will in a second. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that right now. Please, we want to grow this channel big so we can promote the message of financial freedom and making money online to as much people as we can. Anyway, now that we've got out the way, let me show you something that I've been working on for a few weeks now. So if you look on the screen, this is my dashboard for the website Honey. So Honey is a Chrome extension that allows you to make money by shopping online and by telling people about it and by referring people to the program. Now, I have on the screen almost 10,000 points, and this means about $100 in real life value. This is how much I've accrued, in the last couple of weeks by just using Honey and by telling people about it, by just doing, simple stuff, shopping online and telling people to go shop online. So if you look here, right here, these are, number of people that have, downloaded Honey and started using it because I told them to do so. Now, this 9,948 points means $100 in real life. Now, that may not sound like a lot of money, but as someone who's always traveling and I also need money to like book plane tickets and Airbnbs and stuff like that, these $100 actually means a lot of money to me. I know it does mean a lot of money to some people. $100 is not, it's not easy money, especially if you can pay your bills with it, phone bills, whatever it is you want to pay with it. So if you can make an extra $100, if you haven't started making money online before, I think that means something. So Honey just allows you to save money, like I said, and this is what I've accrued over the last couple of weeks. So how does Honey work really? So if you go to the Chrome Web Store, or if you just type in Honey Chrome extension into your browser, it's going to take you to the Chrome Web Store. Let's click on that. And if you come here, you will see Honey. I've already added it to my Chrome browser. It will be right here on your screen. So this is Honey right here. And if you go to a website like Amazon, let's say we select this product, we're trying to get this product, and once it loads up, you will see what happens. So Honey is going to tell you everything about this product. It's going to show you, how much price, I mean, what the prices have been over the last couple of days, if they have any sale going on. Honey will literally help you find the best price on any product that you're trying to get online. So you don't have to, keep searching for deals and keep, jumping from one website to the other. Honey does everything else for you. And once you shop with Honey, you actually receive points, by just buying something that you would you would buy anyway. So you're not only spending money right now, so Honey will help you find deals and it will give you reward points by buying that particular product. So if I click on the Honey tab right here, so it's going to tell me, what the price has been. If, the price has changed in the last 30 days or in the last 7 days, it's going to tell me exactly that. So you can also view the price history, and if you look right here, it's going to tell you you have potential savings, meaning you have 5 coupons that you can apply to this product. So not only are you just buying blind, it's going to give you everything everything you need to know to make the best decision shopping online. So you want to make sure that you have a Chrome extension like this that tells you everything. So once you use the coupons that Honey provides you, it actually rewards you by using that coupon by saving you money, so you can apply those points further down the line to purchase other products. And if you have a drop shipping business, for example, this is the best tool that you will ever have, and that ties into all the dropshipping messages, all the dropshipping videos that I've shared on this channel as well. If you have a dropshipping business or a Walmart business, or maybe you just buy things, a lot of things online, this Chrome extension is going to come in very handy for you. So make sure you download the Chrome extension. I'll leave a link down below in the description. It costs you nothing. It just helps me to make better videos. If you register, I receive reward points and stuff like that. So make sure you go download Honey, and it doesn't end there. Honey helps you save money, but how does it help you make money? So if you look at my dashboard right here, these are the kind of people, these are the number of people that have signed up with Honey using my links, using my affiliate links. And every person that you sign up, according to Honey, you get $5 in points for everyone you refer. So let's say you have a huge email list, so you have a YouTube channel, or you have a YouTube channel that talks about dropshipping, or maybe you just have a lot of friends within your circle, especially at this time of the year where a lot of people are buying stuff online. You want to tell them about Honey, and once you tell them about it, you get $5. Let's say you tell 5 people, meaning you get $25 for every 5 person. For every 5 person that you tell, you get $25. So once you keep telling people these gold points are gonna rack up here, as you can see on the left, on the right hand corner of my screen, I have accrued over 9,000 points, almost 10,000 points in just a couple of weeks using this and promoting it. So this is just something that I want to point out. If you are looking for a way to save money online, to make money online, this is a stupid simple way of doing it. And you might be thinking, well, how do I drive traffic to my affiliate link using Honey? Well, it's not something that I would say it's very easy, but if you have, say you have a platform, you have a blog, or you have a YouTube channel, I always advise people to start a YouTube channel, especially if you have something like a passion project that you like to talk about. Start a YouTube channel, start talking about it, start promoting product with it. And if you have a dropshipping business, especially if you watch this channel for a while, you will realize that once you start buying stuff with this, once you install the Chrome extension, it's gonna come in handy because you're buying a lot of stuff anyway. So why not buy stuff using Honey so you can receive those gold points that they give you. So let me know this video have been helpful. This is just one way that I use to make money online, and I just wanted to share with you because I realized that not a lot of people can get involved in the technicalities of starting an online business. And if you can use simple ways like this, especially in this festive period where people are doing a lot of shopping online, you might be able to benefit from that. So if you want to download Honey, you want to join Honey, make sure you use the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. I get a kickback once you do that, and not only does it help me, just helps me make better videos, and keeps me encouraged to make helpful videos such as this one. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. My name is Daniel, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions for me. And also you can hit me up on Instagram. My email, everything will be down in the description. Let me know, and I look forward to speaking with you. Anyways, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.